Welcome back, everybody. And what we've all been waiting for, especially me and Yoshi, we opened up the new motor this morning on Raptor like a Christmas present, and she looks beautiful, nice and clean. So first thing we're going to do is put her on the engine stand, take off the intake manifold, and clean out the valves. We're going to be doing a chemical clean by using some pick tools to scrape off any buildup that we see. Normally, the preferred method is walnut blasting, but obviously it's kind of hard to move this motor around. She's pretty heavy. So we're going to just do a chemical clean for now. And as you see, when we're spraying, you'll see all the black stuff coming out, and then it turns clear. So I think the chemical clean did a good job. Then after that, we're going to put the new turbos on with the coolant lines and oil return lines. That's probably going to be one of the more time-consuming parts, so we're going to knock that out first. And as you'll see, there's new motor mounts on the engine. They're pink. These are Condor ones. Months and months ago, we ordered RevShift ones. Their website said they had it in stock. And week after week, we kept calling them for updates, and they kept saying that they needed materials to come in order to make the new mounts. And so we just decided after we couldn't wait any longer, so we went with Condor and put these mounts on. These are the pink ones that you see. And then, as luck would have it, a couple days later, the RevShift ones finally came in. So you'll see us remove those ones, and you'll see green ones on there. Those are the RevShift ones. And personally, I like the green color better than the pink anyway. Even though you don't see them, I still like the green better. After that, we'll get back to you with another update. So enjoy the video, and we'll be back. Okay, here we are back again. It's starting to look like a motor. Just giving you an update. Got all the fuel lines on. Engine cover is now back on. New plugs. We got the new mounts from RevShift right here. They're on. Ground wires are all on. We got foam element intakes that we're going with on the turbos. Here's the other motor mount from RevShift that we got. Waited long enough for them. All the outlets and inlets are on, as you can see. The new turbos are in. All the coolant lines or return lines are all ran. Everything is pretty much back in its spot. So now what we're doing, we're putting some new transmission mounts on. And then we just have to go get gaskets for the new turbos. The gasket that fits right in here connects to the downpipe. We're going to put the downpipes on and actually lower the engine in that way. And then we'll be able to take this off, put it on the engine hoist, and then that's when we'll do the clutch, which the clutch is the last thing before we get it back in. Then after that, it's all about connecting all the sensors, all the wiring, all the harnesses, make sure everything is plugged in. And that's pretty much it. Then we still had a prime. Well, there's still a lot of other stuff to do once the motor is in, of course, but we'll keep you updated. And then once it's in, water pump, AC compressor.
Okay, yeah, I need that fucking jack.
And we ran into something else, so I'm gonna go now so we could do this transmission mounts, and I'll keep you guys updated. All right. Hey everybody, it's me again. So as you can see, we got the motor on the engine hoist now, and we put the clutch on, so that's good to go. And right now we're going to be putting the downpipes on to the turbo. We got the new gaskets on there, and then we're going to drop this thing in to the car. So hopefully it goes easy. People say it's easier to put it in than to take it out. Well, we're about to find that out right now. So stay tuned and watch the fun.